guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making Christmas cards. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell as well, so you always know whenever I upload. Like the video, share the video, and do all that good stuff. Let's get straight into it. I have a bunch of stuff going on here, guys. I'm not even going to bother to go through them and show you guys because that's what's gonna take too much time. I'm gonna just go along and you'll see what I'm using as I go along. So first I'm gonna start with my cards, of course. And they also come with the envelopes to put them in. These are pretty small. I wanted the bigger ones, but they didn't have them, so I just had to use these. The first style or first design that I'm trying to go for is, you know, the 3D pop-up cards. That's what I'm gonna make first. Right, so I have my pencil, I have my ruler. I'm going to make 3 boxes.